Hello, so quick one. What is Bia Werego? If I said to you, Bia Werego, what would you do? What would you do? Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. There are some expressions you won't know what they mean in Igbo because Bia Werego is come and take some money. Yeah, you didn't think so. So, Bia, come. Were, take. Money. Ego. Bia were ego. Now, don't jump at everything that has ego in it, because most of the time when an Igbo person talks to you about ego, it's about getting it from you, not giving it to you. So you want to know what they're actually saying. Bia were ego is the only of many expressions that means come take money. Were is take. Bia is come. And ego is money. If I said to you, Ahurum Ginanya, what did you think I say? I said, Ahurum Gi Nanya. Hurum is see. So Ahurum is I saw you. Anya is eyes, like I saw you with my eyes. Is that kind of what I was trying to say? No. Ahurum Ginanya is I love you. Te amo. I love you. So when I say Ahram Genaya to you, you better understand what it means, because that means I love you, so you don't keep a brother hanging. Ahram Genaya is I love you. I love you. Ahram Genaya. And it's something you can say to your mother, to your father, to your brother, to your sister, and even to your lover. So it's not just romantic. So it's not one of those things you say to a little child and you're pedophile. No, it's a love word, just like I love you. You can say it to everybody. And it can be very romantic when said from a boy to a girl, or from a girl to a boy. So it's very romantic in that way. Ahurumgi, Nanya, I love you. If I told you, Ihe gina masim, you're keeping me hanging. What did I say? Ihe gina masim. Okay. I don't think that's what I said. Imasi is to please. Imasi is to please. So imasi literally to please. I is to. Masi is please. And masi is one of the things we use to express like, because we don't actually have the word for like in Igbo. So we use please instead. So you can say something namasim, and you're saying I like that thing. So ihe gi namasim, your thing. Ihe is thing. Gi is your. In this case, gi also means you, but in this case it is your. So ihe gi, your thing, na amasim, is pleasing to me, and that can be I like you. I like you so much, or I like you a lot, or I like you very much. So it's just different from I love you, I love you, but I like you. And I think liking is more powerful than love, because plenty people love plenty people, but come on, it's quite a little extra to like somebody. To like somebody is kind of really special. So if I told you, I'm saying everything about you is pleasing to me. You're pleasant to me. You're beautiful, or something to me. Now, what if I told you ne marama or na imarama? What's that gonna mean? Ne imarama, na imarama. What does imarama means? Imarama means you're beautiful. Imarama means you're handsome. So if I said ne imarama, I'm saying hello dear, you're beautiful. And if I say na imarama, I'm kind of saying hey dude, you're beautiful. No, you're beautiful, you're handsome. So imarama is to be beautiful. Imarama is you are beautiful. Then what is that then happening with ne and na? Ne and na are terms of endearment in Igbo language. When you call somebody ne, you're not just calling them mother. Depending on the situation, nne is the word for mother in Igbo. Originally, primarily, the word for mother in Igbo. But because of how mother, father, the kind of values and kind of place they hold in Igbo sentiment, calling somebody mother or calling somebody father is a big thing, you know. Like I know it's kind of like, don't call me your mom, you know, in English, but in Igbo you want your husband or your boyfriend to call you mom in a kind of sense. So that is not mom literally now. Now when it's called in this romantic context, it means dear. It can be my dear. So you want to say babe, you want to say boo, you want to say dear, you use ne, na. And also, like I said, it's a term of endearment, so it doesn't have to be romantic. It also just has to be something you call someone you're pleased with, somebody who is pleasant to you. So you can say ne, you know, hello dear, excuse me, I'm looking for a number, so. You can say it to a stranger, you know, you want to get their attention. Ne, bikochere, na, bikochere. Hello dear, please wait. Hello dear, please wait. Ne for female, na for male. So if I told you ne imarama, you better understand what I'm saying, and that is hello lady or hello dear, you're beautiful. You are beautiful. What if I said anya gi na-emem or ahụ gi na-emem or agụ gi na-agụ m, agụ gi na-agụ m? What would I have said? Okay, it doesn't mean I want to eat you. Agụ gi na-agụ m. I know agụ, and you're like, agụ is leopard. No, agụ is not leopard. Agụ is a kind of a contraction, native speaker contraction for the word aguru. Aguru. So instead of us having aguru gi na-agụ, we have agụ gi na-agụ, and we do contraction with a lot of things. I'm going to teach you contraction later, but let's focus on the agụ gi na-agụ. Agụ gi na-agụ is I am hungry, because aguru is hunger. So agụ XYZ na-agụ is the hunger for XYZ is holding me or is hungering me in the Igbo mirrored expression. So you have literal translation. Your hunger is hungering me. That is to say, I'm hungry for you. You know, I'm hungry for you. And if I'm hungry for you, then I'm missing you. So I'm hungry for you is my way of saying I miss you. I'm missing you. I miss you. You know, agụ gi na-agụ. I'm hungry for you. Agụ gi na-agụ. I'm missing you. I miss you. So that is how to. That is what it's gonna mean if I said agụ gi na-agụ. Now there's another variation, because I gave you two other variations before agụ gi na-agụ, and one is anya gi na-emem. Anya gi, the eyes for you, is acting on me or is doing me. So anya gi na-emem means I miss you. My eyes miss you. You know, like my eyes. You know, kind of has to using eyes to express missing you. Then ahụ gi na-emem is a kind of that physiological feeling you have when you miss somebody, you know, the way it does your body. We can say oyi na-emem, and that is cold, is acting on me. We can say ahụ ọkụ na-emem, that is fever, body heat, excess body heat. Ahụ ọkụ, body fire, is acting on me. Ahụ ọkụ na-emem. Then if I said ahụ gi na-emem, it kind of also communicates your absence. You know, that bodily feeling of your absence is acting on me. But maybe not very many people are gonna know intuitively what ahụ gi na-emem means, or what Anyagineme means, they should, even if they're hearing it for the first time, as long as they speak and understand Igbo, they should know what you're saying. But one that can never be misunderstood is Agogi Nagum. Agogi Nagum. Agorogi Nagum. And I would also say to use Agorogi, within a context. It's good to stay within a context, romantic context. I know why. Or your father or your mother, somebody that wouldn't immediately think you want to have sex with them, because ago can be a kind of desire. When you say I'm hungry for you, it can be, they can understand that you're expressing a desire for them. So that's like a desire for them, you want them. And it can be sexual if you're in a marital relationship, your husband, fiancé, somebody you have sex with, it can be sexual in that context. But when you're saying it to your parents, they could never think you're telling them, oh, I miss you in bed, or I want you in bed, or I want to eat you, like mess around with you, fool around with you. So they're not going to think of it that way. So you can just leave it. If you can just Anyaginemem. Anyaginemem. Ahoginemem is also kind of close to that too. But Anyaginemem is neutral. Anyaginemem has no sexual connotations. Anyaginemem just plainly and simply means I miss you. But Agroginagom or Agoginagom is the one that can never ever be misunderstood by the person you're telling it to. They'll know you're trying to say I miss you and or what have you. Okay, Odema. What other expression? Let me just give you one last one. If I say Chineke Bogoku, Chineke Bogoku, Chineke Bogoku. Okay, Chineke is God, right? Chineke, God. Okay. Bo, I think you've heard Bo before. Bo has to do with call, right? Call. Then Gi is you. Right? Ge is you. Then Akko, what we all know what Akko is. Akko is fire. So is it God called you fire? Or is it trying to say God called fire on you? No. It means may God burn you to ashes. May God set you on fire. May God set you on fire. Chineke Boge Oko. Oko is when you gather weeds and you burn them. To burn something down. To burn something, not just to burn something like to light it on fire. No. To burn something down. Oko. To burn it, burn it out. So when Sechineke Bogok is a curse, and it means may God set you on fire, may God burn you off, may God burn you off away with you, that kind of thing. And it's a harsh, kind of nasty greeting. So you don't want to be one of those people. I've seen this a few times where they're telling them something and they say, thank you. Okay, so that's enough, and I'm going to close with that. Thank you for learning Igbo with me. My name is Prince Obiefule, and you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube. You can have a one-on-one with me if you're interested in that, and I do group lessons quarterly at the beginning of every quarter. The one for August is already happening, so there's going to be another one the last quarter of this year if you want to do that. I'll say do a one-on-one first. Students who do one-on-one fare much better in the group lessons, because when you come into group lessons, it's not just basic. No. It's advanced basics. So you want to have your basics, then you come into the group, you can be able to understand when people say something, and you can be able to say something, you can be able to make contribution, you don't just feel as though you're left out and all of that. I'll tell you more how to prepare for the group lessons, but for now, thank you for supporting what I do on Igbo Medicine. Dalo, send me a message to igbomedicine@gmail.com and leave me comments in the comment section. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you.